Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how we're going to decorate a chandelier. We're going to pimp it up actually in a Christmas style. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some branches. We're going to use gold and red in the theme. And yeah, take it to that. This one I want to be further out because then we can hang some crystals and really make the chandelier look fantastic. Eh? So here's my AV. Hi AV. So we're going to put the two together. And then we're going to use like the plastic strips. We're going to use the plastic pull strips and we're going to attach it really fast to the chandelier, like so. And also another one, make it bend to the shape, would be good. Because later we're going to put some red flowers here. Eh? Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our poinsettias and always open them out, fluff them out so that they look super great. These are also ones on clips, so you could also clip them, but we're going to strip them in, it's really fast. And what we're going to do is like blend it here underneath the candle. Again, Avi's going to do a strip. And again, really like make it sit around. Huh? It's a good filler and a good base. Okay, next one. We're also going to use some of our the branches we have. We're going to make a top piece so it's got a bit of height, you know, because later on we're going to do some ribbons and some roses here. So again, we're just going to strip them in using the strips. Okay, you okay? Yeah. And here we also have some clip-on roses just on the clips. So again, we're going to put them in a cluster. And again, just with the strip. What is good is AV puts one strip around here to hold all the stems in control. Perfect.